A trip back in time, how people talked about how to earn money online 20 years ago. There are many ways to earn money online in the USA. You can start your own business, work as a freelancer, or find a job with a company that allows you to work remotely. You can also earn money online by selling products or services, taking surveys, or participating in online auctions. Whatever path you choose, be sure to research the options and make sure you are getting the best return on your investment. There are many ways to pick up freelance work online. Perhaps the easiest way is to simply search for freelance work or freelance jobs in your favorite search engine. This should bring up a variety of websites and job boards that list freelance opportunities. Another way to find freelance work is to network with other freelancers. There are a number of online communities and forums dedicated to helping freelancers connect with one another and find work. These can be great places to find leads on new projects or to get advice from more experienced freelancers. Finally, don't forget about social media. Many businesses and individual clients post their freelance needs on sites like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. By following relevant hashtags and monitoring these sites, you can quickly find new opportunities as they arise. If you're looking to test websites and apps, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, it's important to have a clear understanding of what you're testing and why. Second, be sure to use a variety of devices and browsers to get the most accurate results. And finally, don't forget to document your findings so you can share them with the development team. When it comes to testing websites and apps, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, you'll want to have a clear understanding of what you're testing and why. This will help you focus your testing and ensure that you're looking for the right things. Second, be sure to use a variety of devices and browsers to get the most accurate results. This will help you identify any potential issues that could impact users. And finally, don't forget to document your findings so you can share them with the development team. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, you may want to consider signing up for Amazon's Mechanical Turk program. Mechanical Turk is a marketplace for tasks that need to be completed by humans. These tasks are typically simple and can be completed quickly. There are a wide variety of tasks available on Mechanical Turk, ranging from data entry to transcribing audio files. Most tasks pay a few cents or dollars and can be completed in just a few minutes. To get started, you'll need to create an account on Amazon's Mechanical Turk website. Once you've done that, you can browse through the available tasks and choose the ones you want to complete. Before you start working on a task, be sure to read the instructions carefully. This will help you avoid making mistakes that could result in your task being rejected. Once you've completed a task, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings to your Amazon Payments account. There are many different ways to make money online, but taking surveys is one of the simplest and most convenient ways to do so. You can make money by taking surveys from the comfort of your own home, and there are a number of different companies that offer this service. One of the most popular companies that offer paid surveys is Junkie. Junkie is a free online survey site that pays its members for their participation in online surveys and polls. In order to make money with Junkie, you must first sign up for an account. Once you have done so, you will be able to access the different surveys that are available. Each survey will have a different payout, and you can choose to take as many or as few surveys as you like. The more surveys you take, the more money you can make. Once you have completed a survey, you will be able to cash out your earnings through PayPal. Do you have a blog? If so, you could be making money from it as an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money from your blog. You can promote products and services that you believe in and earn a commission on every sale that you make. There are many affiliate programs to choose from. You can find programs that fit your niche and your audience. The best way to find affiliate programs is to search for them online. You can also ask other bloggers what programs they use. Once you find some programs that you're interested in, sign up and start promoting. Make sure to promote products that you believe in and that will be of interest to your readers. If you work hard, you can make a lot of money from affiliate marketing. So what are you waiting for? Start promoting today. Etsy is a great platform for selling your handmade or vintage items, as well as art and craft supplies. There are a few things to keep in mind when setting up your Etsy shop. 1. Choose a catchy shop name. This is what will appear in your shop's URL, so make it something memorable and easy to spell. 2. Take great photos of your products. Potential buyers will want to see clear, well-lit photos of what you're selling. 3. Write compelling product descriptions. Let buyers know what makes your product special, and be sure to use keywords so that your items come up in searches. 4. Choose the right price point. Too high and you'll deter buyers, too low and you won't make a profit. Do some research to find out what similar items are selling for, and price your items accordingly. 5. Promote your shop. Once you're all set up, let your friends and family know about your. If you want to be an Instagram influencer, there are some things you need to do. First, you need to have a really good Instagram account. Second, you need to be really good at photography. Third, you need to be really good at using hashtags. Fourth, you need to be really good at using filters. Fifth, you need to be really good at promoting your posts. Sixth, you need to be really good at writing interesting captions. Seventh, you need to be really good at being social media savvy. Eighth, you need to be really good at being a good brand ambassador. Ninth, you need to be really good at being patient. 10th, you need to have a lot of creativity. And finally, you need to be really good at marketing yourself. YouTube channel and blog website. There are plenty of ways to generate advertising revenue on your blog or YouTube channel. The following are just a few examples. 1. $10 per month for a top 5 blog. 2. $100 per month for a top 10 blog. 3. $1,000 of dollars for top 100 blog. 4. $10,000 for top 5 blog. 5. $100,000 for top 10 blog. 6. $1 million for top 100 blog. 7. $10 million for top 10 blog. 8. $100 million for top 10 blog. 9. $1 billion for top 100 blog. 10. $10 billion for top 10 blog. Cryptographic money is part software engineering and part finance, yet don't allow that to scare you. It's easy to get everything rolling and you don't need to be a specialist. With a touch of shrewd financial planning and a little karma, you can bring in cash on the web, even in 2022. While many individuals really do pay for their buys with crypto, it's all the more broadly examined as a type of speculation, prodding entire sites that track the worth of a solitary Bitcoin. Stake your crypto. The course of crypto marketing is like securing your resources in a bank and procuring revenue, like a declaration of store. You secure your crypto possessions in return for remunerations or interest from the stage on which you've marked the resources. Many trades and stages offer marking, with both incorporated and decentralized choices. You could actually stake crypto from some equipment wallets. The least gamble choice for marking is stake stablecoins. At the point when you stake stablecoins, you take out the vast majority of the gamble related with the value vacillations of cryptographic money. Likewise, if conceivable, stay away from lockup periods while marking. Work for a cryptocurrency company. As crypto has ventured into the standard cognizance, so has the chance to work in the crypto business. You could work for any of the many digital currencies themselves, or for different organizations or businesses hoping to exploit the crypto blast. Notwithstanding engineers, crypto organizations need to enlist for the wide range of various jobs of a developing business, including showcasing, HR, and network safety. The following are a couple of instances of stages that compensation in computerized resources for administrations delivered. Coinality jobs for Bitcoin coin worker. Day trading cryptocurrency. One could put forward the viewpoint that exchanging and contributing are exactly the same thing. Be that as it may, they're frequently separated, to some extent, by time skylines. Brokers are hoping to create a moderately speedy gain, while financial backers may just make a small bunch of changes to their portfolios each year. In any case, day exchanging can be one more method for bringing in cash with digital money, very much like it is with stocks or different protections. Informal investors trade resources around the same time to attempt to score an easy gain. This is an unsafe system since it's difficult to tell how cryptographic money values could change at whatever day or extra time. You can begin day exchanging on any trade today. All you really want to do is to join, get a few resources, examine, and you're good to go. You can likewise begin exchanging through a programmed exchanging stage like Bitcoin Benefit, which permits clients to translate the signs transmitted by the patterns on Bitcoin and other digital currencies and begin to perform effective little broker. Tip: if you will be an informal investor, consider excelling at investigating stocks utilizing the specialized and essential strategies. They are generally used to assess all exchanged resources. Purchase and HODL. This is the most well-known approach to bringing in cash from digital currencies. Most financial backers purchase coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and that's only the tip of the iceberg, and hold on until they're worth a cent. When their market costs rise, they sell at a benefit. This contributing procedure expects one to recognize more steady and unstable resources that can move in esteem quickly, bringing about customary benefits. Resources, for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum, have been known to keep up with standard cost vacillations. They can, hence, be viewed as a protected interest in such manner. Notwithstanding, you're free to exchange any resource you feel will ascend in esteem. All you want to do is to dissect every resource you put resources into prior to focusing on hodling it. Likewise, you don't have to purchase the most costly resources for you to create gains. There are a huge number of little altcoins that have good cost shifts. Consider having a blend of altcoins that have a promising future worth and are not only famous in the trades. Partner programs, get paid to refer a friend. There are numerous crypto offshoot programs that pay you for eluding new clients to their foundation. Member programs are allowed to join. When you make a record, you'll be given an extraordinary, interesting connection. You can begin sharing the connection any way you'd like via online entertainment, sites, blog, and gatherings. Whenever an individual signs up or makes a buy utilizing your connection, you will get a commission. The greatest benefit rushes to begin and start bringing in cash. Furthermore, cash would continue to come in days, long stretches of time, even a long time after you set forth all that energy. On the off chance that you previously run a blog or site or have a gigantic following via virtual entertainment, subsidiary projects can be an incredible method for making some great recurring, automated revenue. Cloud mining. Cloud mining has been created as a method for mining digital money by utilizing least distributed computing influence without wanting to introduce or straightforwardly run any connected programming or equipment. Individuals can remotely take part in digital money mining by opening a record and paying a negligible expense. Consequently, cloud mining firms have made mining more open and productive for a bigger gathering. Is it too late to make money from on the online? Not in any way, shape, or form. It is still from the get-go in this resource class. There will without a doubt be developments in the online bringing cash space that we might not